Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're playing Airplane 2. It's basically like a story and well, you're in an airplane. And this has 134.2 million visits and this was created in 2019. Let's play. Alright, so we're in the plane. There's only two people at the moment. It has a golden label with your name on it. The label isn't golden, it's just green. Or maybe I'm colorblind, but who knows. He's on your seat. Okay. It's this bad of a turbulence. I have went on an airplane before, and there have been turbulence, but it wasn't that bad. Yeah, same. That's what I thought. You can't open the door. I'm ahead of you, fast as frick. Where is the president? My exact thought. I need a glass of water. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Wait, it was my fault? Look at this mess. Hey, I'm sorry, man. Could I like use some paper towels or something? Wait, where is he walking? Oh. Wait, what? Wait, am I saying that? I'm sorry. It's the habit. Why'd they name him Ronald? Please welcome to my airplane. Yeah. My name is Ronald McDonald. I'm the president of the Robloxy Estates. Most original name. So I have to cook it? Okay, I'm so done with this. Wait, what chef? Yeah, I can't cook, same. We will take care of him, Mr. President. So who's the chef? I'm just a passenger. What, me? Why are you choosing me as your chef? But Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Yo, oh my god, okay. Oh no, will I be thrown off this plane? Tell me the freaking ingredients, dude. No, I am. Oh my god, no. Okay. Need salt. Okay. I need the salt. Why won't you give me the salt? You died. Wow. Okay. I'm running away. Oh no, you're gonna lock me? Don't do that. Don't. Y'all are so volatile. I mean, like, at 1 second you're nice, and then 1 second you're mean. I mean, I don't get it. Can't his assistant just cook? Potato. Oh, where is the potato? Hello? Is there a potato in here? Okay, like, I am such a bad cook right now. Oh, put it in. Just. Oh my god. No, okay. Okay, I'm dead. All right, guys. So that was the game. Thank you all for watching.